Good Thursday! We're making Mayetta's Ultimate Chili from 1975. He calls it the Ultimate Chili. The article says it took him years to come up with this. Considering it's the Ultimate Chili, there aren't too many spices. I'm a little confused about some of it, so bear with me. 1.5 pounds of chuck steak, diced. Not chopped, diced. How big? I don't know. Diced is very small. 8 ounces of Italian sausage, 5 strips of bacon, can of pinto beans, drained, 1 small green pepper chopped, 2 medium onions, or 1 cup. We went with 1 cup. The recipe calls for 2 chilies, seeded and crumbled. I'm going with 1. I'm not that big on heat. I'm sorry, man. 12 ounces of tomato paste, 1 clove of garlic crushed. It calls for 2 jalapeno peppers. It calls for 2 jalapeno peppers. It calls for 2 jalapeno peppers. Probably gonna have it. Damn it! It calls for 2 jalapeno peppers. I'm probably gonna have this. Everything's mutant these days. I'm not sure. If you want to add the full amount of chilies, the original recipe is in the description. 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of chili powder. We're going with 1 today. 1/4 teaspoon of dried oregano crushed. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Man, I might be missing something. Let's make some 1975 chili. Let's stop yapping and let's get cooking. This was too much work. I wouldn't say it's diced, but I would say it's chopped. And it's too much work! That's why we use ground beef. This is a weird one too. The recipe calls for sliced Italian sausage. If you look at his picture, it looks like he's cut it into big chunks. And if you look really closely, it looks like he's cutting one of those big chunks. I don't know what to do. Slicing raw sausage, come on! You might as well just use ground sausage. Let's cut it into big chunks like he did. It's gonna mess up. That's a given. He had big chunks.
Big chunks. And then it looked like he was cutting up the big chunk.
You got bits of skin. We'll just cut them in half. Maybe it's all gonna fall apart. Sliced. Sliced it. You know, I thought of pre-cooking it. But that's not what he was doing on the cutting board. Okay, that's what you're getting. Shut up! Nice and thick. Time to add the beans. Simmer for another 30 minutes. Chili is done. It is nice and thick. There's a lot of sauce. It's reminding me of Wendy's and Wolf Brand at the same time. I so want to try it, but we can't. We have to wait. We have to wait till tomorrow. He says it tastes better if it's been in the fridge and reheated. That's what we're gonna do. See you tomorrow night.